Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have compiled the best welders that will take your welding game to the next level. When it comes to choosing a welding machine, what specific features are you looking for that will help you achieve your desired welds? Share your ideas and feature preferences in the comments below. The first product on our list is Eastwood Elite MP200i. This is an all-in-one powerful 110V inverter portable welding machine. It's designed to be versatile and user-friendly, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts working in their home garage. It's compatible with MIG, TIG, and stick welding, allowing you to tackle a wide variety of welding projects with ease. MP200 has thermal overload protection that prevents overheating, ensuring the longevity of the machine. Additionally, it has a built-in gas solenoid valve for TIG welding, ensuring proper gas flow and shielding. The MP200i is not only a powerful welding machine, but also a user-friendly one. It features a clear and intuitive control panel that allows you to adjust settings easily. Whether you're adjusting voltage, wire speed, or choosing the welding process, you'll find it straightforward and convenient. The next one is YESWELDER Digital MIG205DS. This machine is packed with impressive features that make it stand out from the crowd. Let's take a closer look. With the YESWELDER Digital MIG205DS, you can easily switch between 110V and 220V power sources, making it highly versatile and adaptable to different working environments. Not only is this a MIG welder, but it also offers the flexibility of lift TIG and ARC welding. Whether you prefer the traditional shielding gas method or want the convenience of gasless welding, this welder has you covered. This welder is specifically designed for aluminum MIG welding, allowing you to achieve high-quality welds on aluminum materials. The YESWELDER Digital MIG205DS features a user-friendly digital interface that makes it easy to adjust settings and customize your welding parameters. In conclusion, the YESWELDER Digital MIG205DS MIG welder is a feature-packed welding machine that offers versatility, ease of use, and excellent performance. Hobart 500554 Handler 190. It operates on 230V power, providing ample power for most welding tasks. It's a MIG welder, which stands for metal inert gas, and it's known for its versatility and ease of use. One of the standout features is its impressive welding capacity. It can weld mild steel from 24 gauge up to 5 16-inch thickness in a single pass. That's quite impressive for a welder of this size. Hobart can accommodate both 4-inch and 8-inch spools, giving you flexibility in choosing your welding wire. It features a heavy-duty cast aluminum wire drive system, which provides reliable and consistent wire feeding. The all-metal wire feed gun adds to its durability, making it a great investment for long-term use. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, automotive repairs, or even light fabrication work, the Hobart is up to the task. Its versatility, power, and durability make it a must-have tool for any welder. The next product is Lincoln Electric Power MIG211i. This versatile welder is packed with features that make it a top choice for both beginners and experienced welders. It offers a wide amperage range, from 30 to 230 amps, allowing you to tackle various welding tasks with ease. The intuitive user interface and digital controls make it incredibly easy to set up and adjust the welding parameters. It supports both MIG and flux cord welding processes, so whether you're working on automotive repairs, fabrication projects, or even home improvement tasks, this welder is up to the challenge. It's built to last, with a rugged construction and high-quality components. You can rely on this machine to withstand the demands of your welding projects for years to come. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking to take your welding skills to the next level, this is the welder for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get more information and grab your own Lincoln Electric Power MIG211i. The last product on our list is Millermatic 211 MIG welder. This welder is designed to provide exceptional performance with its ability to operate on both 120V and 240V power sources, making it incredibly convenient for various work environments. With an output range of 30 to 230 amps, the Millermatic 211 provides the versatility to tackle a wide range of welding projects. Its smooth start feature ensures a stable arc, while the angled cast aluminum drive system provides reliable wire feeding. Additionally, it comes with a built-in gas solenoid valve, a dual-gauge regulator with a gas hose, and a 10-foot M10 MIG gun, providing you with everything you need to get started right away. If you're interested in purchasing the Millermatic 211 MIG welder, you can find it on Amazon.com. We've included a link in the video description below for easy access. Thank you for watching today's video highlighting the top welders in 2024. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more welding-related content.